In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix CapCut Templates option not showing. Let's get started. First, update your CapCut app. For that, launch App Store or Play Store. Search for the app CapCut. If you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next thing you want to do is check your internet connection. If your internet is unstable or too slow, the Templates tab might stay empty. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, restart your router or toggle on airplane mode and again turn it off. This will refresh your connection. With these, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is log into your CapCut account. Some features like templates won't appear unless you are logged into your CapCut account. Make sure you are signed in. Next, clear cache or reinstall CapCut. Sometimes corrupted app data can hide certain features. Likewise, make sure you are not connected to any VPN. Lastly, what you can do is try accessing from TikTok. For that, launch TikTok, search for templates, select any of the template, click on Use Template. Click on Use Template in CapCut. This forces CapCut to open with the template even if the templates tab inside the app is empty. And that's it. This guide was helpful. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.